Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the course 370, which is the kinetics and the mechanism. First, I would like to introduce myself. This is my brief CV. I have done the PhD in chemistry from University of Karachi and then two postdoctorate, one from Brazil and Malaysia. I have more than 20 years of professional experience and served the University of Karachi, PCSIR, PCST Islamabad, GC University Lahore, and currently working at a Foreman Christian College, Acharya University Lahore. Beside this one, I have also performed the administrative positions, and some of the duties are mentioned over here. I have received many national and the international awards. The detail is given over here. This is my research profile highlighting the research publications, patents, and the impact factor citations and the presentation in the national and the international conferences. I have presented around 25 countries around the globe, and I have supervised 58 MPhil and the PhD thesis up to now. I have won the many research grants, and the projects are the list of the projects are given over here. Currently, I'm working on the two industrial projects at the FCCU, and beside this one, on the publication, I have the 7 US patents, and the detail is mentioned over here. So coming to the course description, this is the 4 credit hour course. Uh, Code is the 370, and this is the kinetics and the mechanism. The prerequisite is the 261 or the 270, and these course contents actually are given in the academic catalog. I will cover the 3 main core concepts of the chemistry during this study. One of them is the chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, and the surface chemistry. These are the learning objectives. Actually, this course is very, very important, particularly related to the electrochemistry as well as the chemical kinetics. And I have written some of the learning objective over here. So at the end, I will try to highlight some of the project which you can start by using the knowledge you have gained in the electrochemistry and the chemical kinetics. So the course requirement is generally you have to maintain at least 80% attendance, both in the classes as well as in the lab. And your conduct and grading policy is mentioned over here, and I will follow the absolute grading throughout the semester. This is the breakup. I have divided into the weeks. So starting with the chemical kinetics first, I will explain from the very basic concept, and then we will move to the higher learning, including the first and second order kinetics, then reversible reaction and the convective reaction, first order convective and the parallel reactions, and the mechanism. Some of the theories we will cover up during the chemical kinetics. And then I will start the electrochemistry, again starting with the very basic concept, and then we will discuss the cell potential or the thermodynamics, and how can you define the spontaneity of the reaction by using the electrochemistry. And there are the different cells, electrochemical cells, galvanic cell, or the electrolytic cell, or the concentration cell. So we will discuss in detail following the two important diagram, Latimer diagram and the Frost diagram, to calculate the unknown potentials. And at the last, I will cover the very basic knowledge which will cover towards the introduction to the surface chemistry. And at the 17th week, you have your final exam, and your schedule of assessment is also mentioned over here. Starting from the 4th week, you have quiz 1, 5th, your assignment 1, and then you have the Easter break. Your midterm examination will be on the 8th week, and then you have the spring break. Your quiz 2 will be on the 12th week, and your assignment 2, or maybe I will arrange the presentations, that will be on the 14th week. So their weightage is also given away. Your quizzes will be 10%, assignment presentation would be the 10%, midterm 20%, weightage final term is 30% weightage, practical exam is 25%, and your class participation is the 5%. So this is the grading according to the university rules and regulations, and some books are mentioned over here. I will also provide you the soft copy of the books during the study. This is all about your course description.